windshield, side window, back window cleaning kit. You're going to get this beautiful little attachment here, and it can extend in or out. If you need to, you can extend it out like that. And then you have this beautiful, beautiful microfiber towel that is going to make your window look beautiful. Sweet thing about it is you're going to get 3 of them. So you're going to have 1, 2, and 3. They're easy to wash, and then you have plenty to use across your whole car. So as you can see, it's beautiful for your windshields, your side windows, even your back window. You got plenty, easy to use, a sweet bang for your buck. So if you're looking for something that's maybe gonna make it a little easier to do this, this is an awesome way to go.